Music. Want better credit? This Credit Booster review shares my experience and shows you how it works. Check the description for links. Credit Booster helps you quickly and effectively improve your credit. Perfect for thin files, past credit mistakes, or boosting your score for better loan options. One key feature: trade lines. By adding positive accounts to your report, you'll see real score improvement, especially helpful when building or rebuilding credit. Expert credit consultations provide personalized advice. Dispute errors, negotiate with creditors, and optimize credit usage with their actionable recommendations. Boost your financial knowledge with Credit Booster's tools. Webinars, articles, and guides cover everything from understanding your score to managing debt and prepping for big purchases. Stay informed with credit monitoring. Get alerts about report changes, helping you catch and address issues fast. Credit Booster is your all-in-one solution for better credit. Whether you're starting out or recovering, expert support, trade lines, and educational resources make it a great choice. Ready for a higher score? Explore Credit Booster via the links below and start your journey to financial success today.